Good morning, KG1. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. I miss you so much. Are you ready today to take our new story? Are you ready to tell you our new story for today? Come on, let's start. Look here, KG. Look here. Do you know what it is? No, it's not a car. It's a bus? No, it's a van. Look, it's a van. And who is driving the van? It's Mr. Vic. Mr. Vic is a very helpful man. Okay? He is delivery man. He delivers vegetables to the shop. When he went to the village, the small children love him. When they saw Mr. Vic, they started pretend they are driving the van like him and say, woo, woo. Can you pretend like the children you are driving the van? Woo, woo. And this is our new sound. Let's see our friends. They are the v friends. Let's see our first one. Do you know what it is? Is it a guitar? No. It is a violin. It is a violin. Start with the sound v. And look what I have here. It's a vase. It's a vase. Look what is the color here? Wow, it's lovely. We put the flower inside it at home. Right? Vase. Wow, and you know who is this man? Yes, he's a doctor. But he's the pets and the animals doctor. It's called vet. 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 And look what I have here. It's a green vest. Vest. Look what I have here also. Do you know what it is? Is it a car? No, it's a vacuum. We clean our house with the vacuum. Yes. And this is the van. Is it a car? No, it's a van. Oh. Do you know what it is? It's a video. I don't think that you know it. Now we use the DVD and the laptop instead of the video. And this was like our CD. We put the videotape inside the video to watch our cartoon or movie. Is it nice? Video tape. Okay, this is how we say the v, uppercase and v, lowercase. Let's start right. The v, no, we have to listen to the song first and pretend that we are in Mr. Vic van. Do like Mr. Vic. Driving van down the village, drive Vic van down the village, drive Vic van down the village. V, 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 v. Yes. Now, you can open your English activity book and start color nicely. We color inside, not outside. The van, the videotape, the vacuum, the vase, the violin. Page 58 in our English activity book. And now we are going to write the V. We have to start from the starting point. Look here, we are going to start from line number 2. We are going to go slide down and slide up. Slide down, slide up. It is small V. We have to write it between the two small lines. Okay? Starting point, slide down, slide up. Is it easy? Yes. Slide down. Oh, oh, oh. Slide up. Is it not? No, it's wrong. I have to be between the two lines. Slide down, slide up. Yes, excellent KG1. Now, prepare your English activity book, the English handwriting book, sorry, and start, write the V. We have to trace it and write it all alone, by yourself. Don't let anyone help you. V, slide down, slide up. Let's do it with our magic finger together. Slide down, slide up. This is how can we write the V. And have a nice day and goodbye. Now we are going to write a word. Are you ready? Let's write a word. Start with the sound V. Oh, who can read it? I can hear you. V, a, t, vet. V, a, t, vet. V, a, van. V, a, van. V, yes, I can hear you saying the sound. S, t, a, s, t, vest. Say it quickly. Vest. Yes, it's a vest. Vest, van, vet. Now you can read the V words and write the V words and know all the V friends. Goodbye and see you next time. Hope you are well. Good morning, KG1. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. I love you all and miss you so much. Are you ready to listen to our new story for today? Come on, let's see. Look here. There are children in the school, right? Oh, it's a lunch time. Look, it's a lunch time. They are starting eating. What are they going to eat? Look at this girl. She's eating yogurt. Oh, it's a yellow yogurt. It with bananas. Yes. Look at the boy. He leave his sandwich and start playing with the yo-yo. He's starting playing with the yo-yo. Why? He want to play. He don't want to eat. Look at this girl. She's very good. She went with her mommy with the supermarket and chewed the yogurt. She will be healthy. Okay. This is our new sound. Let's pretend that we are like the good girl and eating the yogurt. Yogurt. This is our new sound. Ya. Repeat after me. Ya. Let's see the ya, friends. Oh, look at this. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yes, I can hear you. You want to play with the yo-yo. And look at this. Yogurt. Yogurt. But it's with the strawberry, not with the banana. And look at this. Yes, it's yarn. Yarn. Look at this animal. Do you know what is the name of this animal? Yuck. Yuck. This animal is yuck. Yuck. Let's listen to our song and pretend we are eating yogurt. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Yes, super. Super KG1. Did you like Yogurt? Yes, I like yogurt. And now, bring your English activity book and start in color nicely. We color inside, not outside. Page number 60, the yarn, the yo-yo, the yogurt, and the yak. Are you ready now to write sound y? Y? Let's write it. We have to start from the starting point. Look here, where is the starting point? Yes, in number line 2. Let's start, write the y. It's very easy, KG. Starting point, down, round, up. And we have to go down, down, down till number 4 and go up like the umbrella stick. Do you know the umbrella stick? Yes, we have to go down and up. Again, starting point, down, round, up. That's it? No, down, here. That's it? No, it's wrong. I have to reach line number 4. Again, starting point, down, round, up, and down, 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 and up. That's it. How can we write sound? Y, y. Are you ready to read with me? Yes. Y, a, s. Can you read it? I can hear you read it. Y, a, s. It's yes. Yes. And what I have here? Y, a, k. Yak. It's yak. Y, a, k. It's yak. Yes, I can hear you read it. Super, KG1. Now, bring your English handwriting book and start write sound y. Trace it and write it nicely with yourself. Don't let anyone help you. Page 37. Trace it and write sound y. Have a nice day and stay safe at home. Goodbye, KG1.